Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back by a new video of ADutchGamer. As you can see, I'm playing Battlefield Hardline again on a map Everglades. It's the game mode Hotwire. Just must think of it, yeah, of course. And I'm going to with the MP7. Oh my god, what a godly weapon. I really like this weapon in Modern Warfare 3 because that's the first game it was on, I think. I don't exactly know. And I have already a compass center and an optic reflex RDS, and it's really gonna look pretty. Come on, you cannot lie of this color. It's the camo Zebra. I really wanted to get the Zebra Blast or the Zebra Blitz because those two colors are just fucking beautiful. But I don't have that money actually on Battlefield. Making money is really easy in this kind of game mode, especially if you're not killing anyone. Okay, right now. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Only kill assist for me. Oh shit, sniper. Holy sh. Oh shit, no, please no. Nah, shit. Yeah, I was too slow with the Magnum. Yeah, okay. Yeah, will be happening. Yeah, indeed. Okay, come on, spawn. Why does it take so goddamn long to spawn right here? I do not know. And I saw a sniper. Okay, sniper shooting at me, spraying actually, not shooting, spraying. And what? Why didn't I hit the helicopter? Wow, I just shot at the ground. Wow, I'm a great aimer. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Can I change some? Oh wait, maybe second weapon. Yeah, with the FN57. Sorry. And this is all good. Molotovs. Yeah. Okay, I think I will be alright for now. I don't know. Yeah. Oh shit. Shoot. Ah, fuck. Can I swear? I don't know. Fuck it. I'm swearing always, I think. Well, is he really gonna do that? Wow. That's one badass motherfucker. Okay, just... Oh. Yeah. Great. I think the appointments or the enemies, better call, are owning us. Yeah, okay. Wasn't expecting that. Back the fuck up, bitch. Huh? Spray. Oh shit, I'm sure everything missed. You fuck. Hey, my dad's got Leo, so thanks, Dad. You suck at this game. And finishing. So, one whole car. Oh shit. No, not a tanker, please, no. Oh my god, the tank is just coming. And perhaps I'm gonna use the sound also in it. You can drive. Good boy. Oh shit. Yeah. Nope. I'm out of here. Come on. Is the tanker near? No. It's there. Hey, surprise. Oh, that motherfuckers keep burning. Surprise! Extra magazines for now. Okay. So I cleared one car, one full car, and one... Oh, you motherfucker. Surprise, bitch! Okay, yeah, I expected that already. Oh, son of a bitch. You, sir, just gonna die. Oh. Okay, oh my god. Okay. Weird. Holy shit, indeed. That's just saying, holy shit, and indeed I was thinking of that. Is a renowned... I still don't fucking know what a renowned mechanic is or something else. Okay. Alright, am I camping right now or what? Yeah. Okay, for this. Okay. Into the battle and beyond. I think. Oh. Wow. See our score then. Wow. They have 59 points left and we have 3. Not 4 actually, better. 3. 2. 1. Yeah. Okay. Wow. 7 kills, 6 deaths. Wow. Yeah. Just gonna skip into the next game. See you next game. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with a new game. It's not another game mode, it's just the same ice now, Hotwire. And it's again on what's it called? I don't even know. I'm gonna buy this one for better aiming, I hope. And okay, that really looks retarded. This one. Ah, that's better. Okay, on a motorcycle. Ah, yeah, I think this is better than the other one, that reflects, I think. RDS, yeah, indeed. If I'm wrong, just say it in the comments, you're fucking wrong, bitch. Yeah, okay, fuck it. I don't know. You are... Do you have a driver license, sir? Because we are the police and... yeah. Okay, so you don't have a driver license. I don't either. But... Sparta! Hey, bitch! Okay, thank you. I thought I was dead because I saw the inside of the car, but perhaps I wasn't from the beginning or something. Wow, already 2 kills in. No, no, no. Oh, fuck. The dude with the MP5. Okay. Why is the text so big? Still, what the I don't get it. Hi. Yeah, I say hi to the car that flew by, or the motorcycle. Okay, we are going to battle again. Just like the last game, not just less, I don't know. My mistakes are big, but my kill streaks are bigger. Could be not. I don't know. Yeah, it's indeed actually 2 weeks that I upload. I don't know. And I'm right now thinking of the last time I played Battlefield, Hardline. Yeah, game before, 2 games before this game that I'm starting to record. And before that, it's really a couple months ago, I think. And I'm doing pretty alright, because the other 2 games before this game, or before the other game I was recording, I didn't really died much. I had 12, 16 kills and a couple of deaths, not many, a couple. Okay, so the enemy... Okay, I just changed from subjects from 0 to 100. I don't know why. And yeah, actually, yeah, I don't know. I could be waiting right here to wait for A or B coming back, but I think that little motherfucker's coming back earlier. Oh, you're dead. Oh, sorry, man. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, you just got owned, sir. Ah. Oh my god, the tanker every goddamn match. I don't know, but 2 matches, 3 men I see dying, 2 times it was my own. Was myself, actually, better said. Okay, just spraying my shit out. Hey! What? Oh. Okay. You're not coming back for me? No. Oh shit. Okay, gonna surprise this bitch. Surprise.
Bruh.
YouTube Lucas again. HD and actually better. Yeah. Hope he was recording with this because that really looks funny. Okay. Oh, wait. Here B. I am the tanker now, bitch. Oh wait, I pushed the wrong button to drive. Come on, drive, drive. Oh no, you're dead. Sorry, man. Oh, you got just owned again. Just getting that 10 points each time. Oh shit, out of ammo.
Okay.
Oh! Shit. Okay, where's this weapon? Where's this weapon? Please tell me he's... Where the fuck did he die? Oh, yeah. Okay, so he has shit weapons, better. Okay, yeah, indeed, he has really shit weapons. Now, I just gotta have my MP7 behind. Okay, let's see if I'm... You're not getting me, bitch. Oh, I'm gonna take the weapon. No, please, run, run. I have never hauled this weapon, but I saw it with the update. Actually, just a couple of minutes ago, or a couple games before I joined this. I saw this weapon and I thought, oh my god, I need that weapon, but I didn't have the money enough to pay that. I have the skills to pay the bills, but not enough skill to pay the bill of this weapon. I think that's a pretty good rhyme, bitch. Is this also would you really one shot or not? I'm just gonna camp right here or something. Oh, bees. Oh, no, it's not. I don't know. No, YouTube something else. Wait. No shit, no, it's the... No! It's Lucas, YouTube Lucas, that always takes B, or someone else, apparently, right? That scared the shit out of me. Holy shit. Was talking about Lucas and somewhere... Poof, I died. They see me rolling, they hating. Okay, another fan. Bam, bam, da, 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 da. Oh, yes. Okay, I just shot 2 men from the water, and those 2 guys really had snipers, and still they couldn't kill me. That's what you call bad snipers. I don't know. Just randomly invented that. Could be possible. I don't know. It could be, but perhaps it couldn't be. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying, right? Yeah, indeed. Okay, hopefully nobody takes B. Oh, B is already on our side. That's great, so I know Lucas doesn't have him and just drive me for the 3rd time over with the tanker. Is that dude really following me? No. Yeah, he is. No. It's a ferret. Okay. Good. I know exactly what that means. That I'm not afraid of it. That I don't fear him. Ah, fuck. Oh, and someone else is a ferret mechanic. Don't even know how to pronounce that. It could be right on the right way that I pronounce it, but it could be also wrong. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's see. There's a car. Okay, they are. Yeah. I could buy the next. No. They already captured the bridge. Yeah. Trying to look for the words I wanted to say. And as I'm seeing, holy. Haha. How many guys? Not many. You have not died yet, so but you are right now. Oh my god, that was that really happened for me right there. Shit. Oh shit. He blew 3 guys up, or was it not here? What? Are you seriously? I just shot him many times and that couldn't be 43 health. That's impossible. Alright, I think he's driving right through the bridge. I hope he is. Yeah, he is. And drop off. Oh, no. Oh shit. Ah, fuck. Busted leg. No, he didn't shot in my leg. He shot on my torso, but not in my leg. So why does he call himself, I don't know. Come on, I want in a chop. No. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I got 50,000 coins. No. Dude, what the... Oh, yeah, that's better. Oh, shit. Reject. Shit, I just had it on Stinger Fire. No. I could kill him, but no. Why didn't I kill him? Can I actually buy? Just gonna see how this will work. It really looks awesome. No. The angry moment, bitch. I still hadn't fucking single fire. Not anymore, bitch. I am going to attack this. Oh. You already kind of have it. Oh, almost missed. Almost hit. Oh, no good. How you... There's no way that he hit me with the Tech 9. That is just one of the most impossible thing you can ever do. Dude, they are okay, wow. I just don't want to say dude, they were right around our house, but indeed they were, but we didn't get in time to get out. Actually, I didn't get time to get out. But I want to thank you for watching, leave likes, subscribe to my channel, and I think I'm going to upload once a week, because I am really busy with school, and I just want to record this for fun. So I hope you enjoy it, leave likes, subscribe to my channel, see you next time.